I've been creeping through this oak and juniper woodland, trying to get better looks at an Arizona woodpecker, which is a very difficult woodpecker to photograph around here. They're very, very shy, and they don't like it when you get close at all. Oftentimes, you'll hear it before you see it. Even when you do see one, it's only a darting glance as it passes between trees or by its shadow. You can see him here, foraging through this flaky cedar bark looking for bugs. Despite being just brown and white, I think the pattern is actually quite ornate, and it's a really beautiful woodpecker. It is always such a great experience to have close encounters with wildlife, especially shy wildlife. So I'm so thankful. But I'm back here at the beginning of the trail, and it's getting dark, so we better call it a day.